Classier than clapping for keeping rhythm. I know. You will need your hand, optional, your tongue, and a bit of space. Step 1. Decide which hand you want to use. We suggest you dominate hand, which is usually the hand you write with. Step 2. Place the tips of the middle finger and thumb together. It often helps to open the rhythm. Step 3. Let your ring finger and pinky rest against your tongue. Step 4. Now quickly, slow your middle finger down so that it hits the palm of your hand. At the same time, let your thumb pop up to meet your index finger. The harder you press your thumb and middle finger together,
this order is
mushrooms. I think this has been kind of a big thing to kind of change my day-to-day. Right? Alright, well, I'd love to finish this interview with a quick lightning round of questions. So I'd love to just hear your take on the following questions.